Okay, imagine this. You're standing in Dubai holding the keys to your dream property. Well, sounds incredible, right? But let's be real. Making that dream come true starts with cracking a code on how do mortgages really work in Dubai. Hi, this is Annora, and today I'm going to talk all about mortgages. I'm going to make it more simple, practical, and a little bit fun. So let's get started. First, what kind of property are you eyeing? Is it ready to move in properties or is it an off-plan project which is still under construction? Off-plan properties, they're a different ballgame. Banks typically don't jump in earlier when it comes to off-plan properties. But some developers have partnership with the banks, which makes it easier to finance closer to the handover, which makes it doable. Now, who is eligible for mortgages? Mostly all the people. Well, for UAE residents, you can borrow up to 85% on mortgage or if your property value is under 5 million. Go above that, it's cramped up to 75%. Want to buy a second property? Well, 60% of mortgage that you can borrow. For non-residents, usually it ranges up to 50 to 70% depending on how strong the income documentation is. So, dream home vacation for anyone? Let's crunch some numbers. Mortgage terms can go up to 25 years. Now, here's a catch. It depends on your age. For a salaried person, you can take a loan up to the age of 65. And for a self-employed person, well, it goes about the age of 70. Now, let's say you're 50 and you're a salaried employee. Well, you can get a loan up to 15 years. And if you're a self-employed, you can stretch up to 20 years. Timing is everything, isn't it? So what do banks look for? It's all about checking the right boxes. Steady income? Check. Your debt payment? Well, it shouldn't exceed 50% of your monthly income. Your credit history? Keep it spotless. Late credit card payments? Well, that's a red flag. Stay on top of it. For off-plan properties, it's a bit unique. Banks get involved once your property is closer to handover. That's about if you have paid 70%. And they'll only finance it if the title deed is issued. And here's a pro tip. When the property is ready, you might be able to leverage the equity for additional financing. Smart, right? But let's talk about the risk that nobody mentions. Now, if you're buying an off-plan property, well, there's no way you can secure a pre-approval mortgage. Now, let's take, for example, you're buying a property in the Mac Islands. Now, till you are closer to the handover, you are not sure if you qualify for mortgage. It's a little bit risky, but all of this risk can be managed effectively. Finally, let's avoid the classic mistakes that could lead to delays in your mortgage approvals. So firstly, missing documents. Well, that's a sure thing that's going to delay your process. High debt, pay it off before applying for your mortgages. If you're a self-employed, keep your financials in order. Banks love clear, comprehensive records. And don't skip pre-approvals for a ready property. This is your golden ticket for a smooth process. Here's a key takeaway. Dubai's real estate market is filled with potential. Whether you're looking to buy a penthouse or a cozy family villa, knowing everything about mortgages puts you one step ahead. Got any questions or want to know more about how mortgages work? Well, I got you covered. If you want to know more, have any more questions, then contact me on the details given below and I will catch you back in the next video.